Okay, so here is our tutorial on the Academic Search Premier. As you see, I threw in two keywords, creatine and bodybuilding. They both apply to my research question. And so let me see our articles here that came up. The first article that comes up, effects of creatine. That seems good for our research question. If we wanted information, we click on the full text option, and here will be our full text. The full text option just means that you get access to the entire source, the information, like it's not just a part. And as you can see, these are all academic journals. If we wanted to change that or look for something else, a lot of the results for here are academic journals, but like we have one magazine. If we didn't want that magazine, we could just click academic journals. And if we wanted to limit it by a date, I already have it set at 2012 because I was playing around. So let's just say I want 2015 to 2020. We can use this little slider bar here. And then also, if you wanted to limit it to full text only, you use this little clicker here. Full text, basically, we explained that earlier, it means it's the full article that we have access to. And now let's go to creating a citation. So here's our text that we were looking at and using and we liked. Here's a good one. We'll click on the little Zotero button up here. And it's already in my library, so that's good. Now we'll just open up a document here, go to Zotero, add a citation. We'll just use MLA because that's what I'm used to. And then we can use the effects of creatine supplementation. Okay. There's our little citation. And then if we wanted to add a bibliography, we'll go to Zotero and then add bibliography. And boom, here. Okay, but if we wanted to go back and find different results, so if we needed different articles or anything, we could go in here and change this or change up our certain keywords. So like instead of bodybuilding, if I wanted to look up hypertrophy, which is like making muscles larger, it's a type of training. Look up creatine hypertrophy. It's taking a little bit here. Okay, so yeah, we get different articles now. 103 search results, so that's quite a bit. So if we wanted to get even more, we could look at hypertrophy or weightlifting. Use a little OR command there, which means it'll show us more. So you 517. And so there we go. That's kind of the basic rundown of Academic Search Premier.